Here's how to make a Tinder account and use the app. On iOS devices, hit Create Account. If you're on an Android, choose how you want to log in. Now enter your phone number. You'll then get a verification code via text. Then you'll be prompted to enter your email. You have the choice to connect your Tinder account to your iCloud or Facebook account, or you can skip. Tinder will ask you to agree to their house rules. Hit I agree to confirm that you do. Before your profile is live, you'll be asked to fill out your personal information, such as your first name, birthday, sexual orientation, gender preference, and your passions. You can then choose photos for your profile and crop them to your liking. Now hit Done. You'll get a quick tutorial showing you that a right swipe is a like and a left swipe is a pass. You can make in-app purchases to have more features. You can avoid fake accounts by verifying yours and looking for the blue check on other profiles. The basic version uses your current location, which you can change by purchasing the passport feature. You can adjust how far or close you want your search. You can also edit who you want to see and the age range you're looking for. The app itself has 4 tabs. The fire icon is where you'll see profiles to swipe through. Premium users can see who has liked their profile in the star tab. The chat icon is where your matches and conversations will be stored. The person icon is your account for previewing and editing. In the edit section, you can write a bit more about yourself. This appears under the first image on your profile. Now get to swiping!